Hello and welcome to another Field Complete tutorial. And this tutorial will cover the new job form. So you want to hover over to the top left corner and click the blue plus button. That will populate the new job form. Our new job form consists of three parts. The first part is the service location or the property where the actual work will be performed. The second section is the customer. That's who's paying for the job. It could be a homeowner, property manager, insurance company, whoever it may be, a landlord. And the third section is actual information about the job, like branch, job type, who's going to go there, and a short description about this job. So let's start with the first section, the service location. You can start by searching the phone number or the address of the property that you want to service. As you're typing this in, it pulls in data from Google Maps as well as your past jobs and past service locations. So on the right, it specifies whether this is from a Field Complete database or if it's from Google. If you click on somebody from your database, it'll pre-fill all the information for you. This was a homeowner job, so it marks that this information is same as the service location. If, let's say, this is a property management job, you want to uncheck this, and you can search for a property manager that you service. So if I type in SMS Assist, it populates. I click on it, it pre-fills the customer data for me as well. A couple of things to note here. You can also, if it's a homeowner job, you're usually going to mark same as service location, and then you can also mark that it's a vacant property. This way that your contractor or technician knows that there's probably not going to be a tenant there. All the information is pre-filled here about the business. You do have to select the job type to create a job. Once you select the job type, from here you can click Create, and this is all the information you need. You can also select a branch if your company works with branches, priority. You can also select date and time and technician if you want to schedule the job from the new job form. You can also obviously schedule it from the dispatch screen or from the job or project screen. Job description is an optional field. Once you click Create, it will automatically create the job for you and place you into this project with this new job, the appliance job that we just created. It's an unscheduled status. It's ready for scheduling at this point. You can also add line items, and we covered that in a different video. And if you have any questions, feel free to press the chat icon and chat with a support specialist. Thank you.